everyone, welcome to the Millennial Lifestyle Fix. This is Nishma. In today's video, I am going to show you my H&M haul. So last week I had gone to H&M to the mall and shopped a little bit because my birthday is coming up on 28th of April. But because we are in lockdown currently, I'm not going to be going anywhere for my birthday. So that is the situation, but we are not going to let that put our spirits down. So I have decided to go ahead and share my H&M haul with you guys. But that is not going to be it. I'm also going to show you my tops, plus size top collection in this video. So I'm going to show you about 10 to 15 tops which I own and I love wearing and styling. So I'm not any kind of fashion influencer, but I realize that I do like dressing up here and there, and if your style is similar to mine and you want to see what kind of tops I like to wear, then please keep on watching this video. Also, I'm going to mention all the size of the tops which I'm wearing as well as the price, and going to link them in the description. So if you want to purchase a same top or a similar top, it will be in the description, so you can go and check that out. One other thing is that I'm going to have a special announcement at the end of this video. So if you want to know what that is, keep watching till the end. Is because when I personally was going on YouTube and searching for plus size tops, like videos of plus size tops, I found that all the tops which I was seeing over there were like kurti type and not really my style. Like I wouldn't like to wear them. So I thought that the only solution to that was if I made a video myself, and maybe you guys would be able to relate to my fashion if you are like, if you like the same kind of clothes. So maybe this video would be helpful for you. And this is not only restricted to women, men. If any of you are watching and you have your partner, your mom, or any friends that you would want to give something to, you can check this video out. Also, I want to take a moment to thank everyone who has been watching my videos. We are slowly but surely growing, and some of the videos have done really well. So a huge thank you to all you guys for supporting this channel. And in the future, I want to make more useful videos, not just like fun videos, but actual useful videos. So I have a lot planned, but I'm just waiting for this second wave of pandemic to get over, and I'm surely going to bring a lot of videos which will be useful for both men and women and all the millennials out there. So that is the end of this introduction. Now let's get ahead and start with this H&M haul. So I went ahead and bought 4 tops and 1 skirt. So the first one which I got was this top right here which I'm wearing. It's a black snug fitted top and it has this like mock collar. So I really love it, and it has ribbed detailing, and it's not very hot or cold. It's like a blend material. I'm in the size XL and I got this for around 499 rupees. It was actually for 800 rupees. So I'm going to link it in the description. The second top is this animal print top from H&M, and I think everyone must have at least one animal print kind of style top in their wardrobe because it looks really classy. What I like about this top is its high neck, and they have these small button detailing over here in the sleeves and behind in the neck as well. So that looks really nice. You can choose to tuck the top in and wear it with trousers or jeans, or you can tuck it out and wear it as a blouse. Both would look nice. It would even pair really great with black skirt or beige or any nude colored skirt. So this is great for office wear as well. So let me just turn around and show you how it looks like. For this top, I'm in the size XL, but it's a little loose on the side, but I think that's okay. And this top was around 1,300 rupees, but I got it on a discount at 900 rupees. Now let's go on to the third top. Top number 3 from H&M that I got is this white colored net top. So it has net and lace kind of detailing going on, as you can see, and it is see-through. So you will have to wear a slip with this top or a nude shade of bra. I'm just wearing my regular bra that I'm trying my clothes with right now. And it's like body hugging and tight fit. So unless you're comfortable with that, you might not like this. And it also has a mock collar. You can wear this with jeans, trousers, and tuck it in and wear it with skirts as well. So this is how it looks like. top is for 1500 rupees, but I got it at 900 rupees on from H&M. So let's move on to the last and final top number 4. Next top is this one. It's a cute white top with puffy sleeves. This part is snug and the sleeves are puffy, and puffy sleeves are really in fashion right now. So that is why I picked this top. Also, it was only 300 rupees on discount, so it was like around 800 rupees, but I got it for 300 rupees. I'm in the size XL, but with this top I thought that you will need to wear a tube top bra, and also this part is a little loose, like you will have a V-neck sort of situation. So if you're not comfortable with deep necks, then think before buying that. But otherwise, in terms of look, I think it's really cute. So, and I think having a basic white and black in this would really look nice, and you can also pair it with skirts. So yes, this top also gets a thumbs up from me. I also got this animal print skirt from H&M. It's in satin silk material. I would also really recommend this Caprice bag. I'll link it in the description. It goes with everything. We come to an end of the H&M part of this haul, but I still have around 10 more tops to show you guys. Continuing with this top, this is from Marks and Spencer, and I really love this top. You'll have to wear a slip inside, but it's really nice. Like, I love the ruffle detailing, the pleat details that's going on here. It has 3/4 sleeves, and this top is available in both red color like maroon as well as blue, and I have the red one. I got it for my birthday last year, but I'm also thinking of getting the blue one just because it looks really lovely and the length is pretty decent. Now let's go to top number 6. This is the next top. It's a really lovely blue color with short sleeves, and it also has some detailing going on around here. So I really love this. This is by All About You, which has Deepika Padukone in it, and it has like a little bit of net and lace detail in the middle, and these sleeves, short sleeves, and I really love this top. So I'm in the size XXL. Now let's go to the next top that I have, which I like to wear to office. That is when I was going to office. It's light pink in color. I don't know if the camera is catching the color, and it's sleeveless. You can wear it with a blazer or a jacket, or wear it as it is with a skirt. So I'll just show you guys. I got this top from Malaysia 2 years ago, but I'll try to find a similar top and link it in the description for you guys. And I really love the detailing that they have given over here, and you can close it up to high neck or wear it as it is, like with the open collar. So I love this top. And let's go to the next top which I have. This is also about a year old. If you guys scroll on Myntra, you would have seen this top. It's from the brand called as Plus, and it's really cute. It is like cinched over here and then peplum style from beneath, and it has puff sleeves again, and it has a little bit of detailing going on. So I really love the neck. Also, it's a sweetheart neckline. As well, I think it was around 700 or 800 rupees, and it also has available in different colors. So this top is a must-have in your wardrobe. Bell sleeve top is another one from Plus, and it's in this teal green kind of color, and I really love it. It's very simple and just has a little bit of detailing around the waist and neck, and the sleeves are the catcher of this top, so I really love it. And this one also was quite affordable, and I got it about 2 years ago. So let's move to the next top. This one is another cute top that I like. It's from Vero Moda, and it has this lace detailing with like a halter neck or like a spaghetti sleeve situation. You can wear like strapless bra or a tube top with this, and if you're conscious about your arms, you can always layer a jacket. This one would go really good as a layering piece. So this is a top. I got it from Amazon Fashions, but it's for Vero Moda brand, and it has a really cute back as well. So let me turn around and show you guys. So yeah, and the color of this is really nice. It's a light brown nude sort of color, which is exactly the kind of colors that I like to collect in my wardrobe, because you can always reuse and rewear them. So this is another great top. I'm going to show you 2 more spaghetti sleeve tops which I have, which will go great with layering. So let me go to the next top. Which I have is this cute summery spaghetti sleeve V-neck top. This is from H&M, and you would have seen this in my previous sunscreen video if you have watched that one. You would have seen this print in a lot of H&M designs because it's really classic with its green leaves and gives a summery vibe. So this is also spaghetti sleeve V-neck, and it's really affordable as well. And it has these cute buttons over here, but they're just like, you can open them of course, but they're like for show more than like actually opening them. So this is another cute piece that I love. Last but not the least is this top. This one is from Only, and I think I got this one also from Amazon, but it's for the brand Only, and it's cute spaghetti sleeve top, and it has some shiny detailing going on over here, so you can wear it as a party top. And it also has cute lace going on here, which is something I love. So this is another top, and I think it was around 800-900 rupees. I'll leave the price over here and the link in the description below. About two more t-shirts or tops that you should really have in your wardrobe. So these are your staples. It should be a black t-shirt, which is something like this. Like it can be a snug fit t-shirt or a little loose but not very loose black t-shirt, and your classic white t-shirt. So this one is from Zara. So black and white t-shirt, and I showed you the first top which I got in this video was a black long sleeve top, and I also have a similar white long sleeve top. So a black and white in both short and long sleeves will take you a long way and act as your wardrobe staples, and you can layer it, you can wear it in any different way with a lot of jewelry, keeping it minimal, whatever is your style. But I would definitely recommend investing in these and then start building. Come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it useful, found some good recommendations that you can also try and check if you want to buy. And I hope you found my fashion sense relatable. And please make sure that whenever you're buying something, you check the size chart, because for some brands you might be an XL size, but for some other brands you might be double XL. It always keeps on changing from brand to brand, so it's always a good practice to check the size chart. Most of these tops I've bought online, but the tops from H&M I had actually gone and tried them before buying. So going to the mall also sometimes is a different, like, wholesome shopping experience. But yes, online shopping is also convenient, and you can always return if it does not fit your size. So that was it for this video. Now coming to the special announcement which I wanted to make is that I am starting freelancing work which I had been doing in the past again as a social media manager, especially for Instagram and Facebook. So if you're a small business owner or a blogger, influencer, anyone who has or wants to start an Instagram profile or a Facebook page for yourself, for your brand or business, and you don't know how to get started, or you want some tips on what to do, how to go about it, then you can contact me, and my details will be in the description below. I have an Instagram profile called Make Your Digital Mark, which is where I share all the Instagram tips and how to grow on Instagram, as well as social media tips. So if you're interested in something like that, please go to Make Your Digital Mark. I'm going to link it here and in the description. You can follow me there and send me a DM or an email, and I'm going to get in touch with you, and we are going to get your social media profile to the skies. So let's do that now. All of you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like this video, because it took a lot of work and my hair is almost oily after trying all these clothes. So be sure to give this video a big like, share it with your friends, female friends, your mom, your anyone who is plus size and has a similar fashion sense and style. They might find it useful. And please leave a comment below if you have tried any of these tops or similar tops. What is your fashion style? Did you like the video or not? Because I would really appreciate some feedback. And be sure to subscribe to this channel, The Millennial Lifestyle Fix, so every time I upload a video, you will get notified if you hit that notification bell. Until next video, this is bye bye from me, Nishma. Bye bye and take care.